guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Brenda and thank you for stopping by. Happy Wednesday or whatever day you guys are watching this. So I am sitting on my floor because this is where I do my makeup. So I am eventually gonna buy a little makeup, you know, vanity or something like that, but I'm learning how to do makeup. I'm not a big makeup girl, or so I just like put on whatever and then head out the door. So but this is exactly where I do my makeup, here on the floor. And I know I shouldn't, I know I'm acting like a 20-year-old, but I'm 43. But anyways, I'll change that soon. But I did want to talk to you guys about my new foundation that I got. I haven't tried it yet. I barely got it yesterday. I actually ordered it online because I what's it called, first of all, I was sold out here already. We only have one so far in the whole city. It's a big city. Everything sells out so fast. And I was like, you know what, let me just order it online. I really don't like to order foundation online because you don't get matched, but at the same time they never really match me good anyways. They never know my color at Sephora. I'm not sure why, if it's just me or what. But I ended up getting matched online. They matched me with a 9W. I haven't tried it on my face, but I did try it and it looks pretty good. So I'm not a big makeup guru, so if it looks okay, I'm okay with it. You know, I just like to a little bit of cover up and that's it. I really don't put a lot of makeup on because I don't know how, but I am getting my makeup certification, so I'm learning a lot, you know, on makeup. So I'm really excited about it and I'll talk to you guys about that later. But yeah, I just wanted to get a makeup certification so I could, you know, learn new things and stuff like that, because I'm always wearing the same makeup since like 1990 and it's like boring. But I just wanted to come out here and tell you guys that I love Makeup by Mario. I have like a lot of his products and I have not been disappointed. I really love his products. A lot of his products are sold out, you know, especially at the stores. I think on his website they do pretty good, but like, you know, it just gets frustrating with Sephora, like I said before. But this is what it looks like. It has really good reviews. Like, it came out in December 22nd and I think they have like the 22 shades. So I wanted something that really covers me because I feel, you know, I am getting older. I'm 43 years old, but I've never taken care of my skin, like, ever. Like, if I were to tell you guys about my skin journey, you'd be like disgusted because, you know, I don't wash my face at night. I barely started washing my face at night, and that's because I bought white sheets, you know. But I'm so bad about taking care of my skin that it's just, I don't know what I've been thinking, but I've been starting to take care of my skin. I've been washing my skin, I've been moisturizing, I've been doing everything. With this makeup class, I'm also learning so many new things about hydration and stuff like that. So if my skin looks crazy, that's why. But I'm taking care of it now. I'm trying to take care of myself now at 43. So, but yeah, I just want to share with this with you guys. I'm not going to show you guys me applying it because I'm sure there's like tons of videos already with how you apply it. And like I said, I'm not the best person to learn from right now, but you will be, but I will be soon. But I just wanted to show you guys to see if I was matched correctly, like, you know, online, and to show you guys how it looks like, the final look, because I'm really excited about it. I've tried every type of makeup. The only one I do like I said, love NARS and Too Faced makeup. I even like Tarte makeup a lot, but just wanted to, you know, give a little review on this. It might not be the best review, but just give you a little review on this, you know, coming from a 43-year-old. I just turned 43, so you might hear me say that a lot because it's still like processing, you know. But I'll be back in a few. Okay guys, I'm back. So I really love it. I don't think on camera it looks as good. Or I don't know if it's my lighting. Again, it's my this mirror has like crazy lighting when it goes to the camera, but I just really like it. I feel like it does match my skin. I put a little bit right here because I do have my incision from when I got my thyroid taken out, so it actually covered it. Like, you know, I just dabbed it, but you know, you can't even tell that I put any on. So that's how I know it like pretty much is, you know, matching. It might be, I don't know. I really like it. It's like dewy, and like it makes my skin feel so smooth and look so smooth. Like I already put like a little bit of makeup on. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, but I will be because I'm learning how to do makeup now. Sorry, my hair is like definitely not done. I'm like really not gonna go anywhere. I just really wanted to try it out, and then I was like, oh, let me try it out on camera so you guys could see. I really buy makeup like easy makeup that I don't have to like mix and match, and I will in the future when I start learning stuff like that. But right now I literally just like buy easy makeup where I don't have to like do too much to it because I don't know how, you know. So I'm not even gonna attempt until I learn like how it's really done, you know what I mean? So but for now this is gonna be very good. I like the way it looks a lot more than the NARS. My skin is in between. It's like sometimes oily and sometimes it's not, and I know maybe it has to do with hydration because I haven't been drinking water, but this definitely makes it like a gooey, dewy, I don't know what the word is, kind of vibe, which I absolutely just love. So yeah, the makeup was sorry, the makeup was $42 and I got it in about a week. I didn't get the overnight shipping and I did not get the brush. I'm not sure why I didn't get the brush. Maybe it'll apply better with the brush and faster. I just did it with like a sponge because I'm old school like that. But I'm definitely gonna order the brush today to see if it makes a difference because I'm excited about it. I don't have any foundation brushes, but I'm gonna order the one from Makeup by Mario. I really like his products. I like his products so much. So like I said, they do have I think 30 different shades of this, and I think he did an amazing job. Like I like it. And again, I'm like simple, fast, and easy when it comes to makeup because I don't know how to do all the fancy stuff. So for me just to put on and take off, it is perfect. You don't need to do anything else to it. So yeah, I just really wanted to share this with you guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And like I said, I'm a 9W, and I think it matched pretty good because I did, like I said, I put some over here. I'm different colors, so like my arms are darker, my, you know, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm like all different colors. So maybe I need to start tanning so I could, you know, be one color. I'm not sure. If you have any like suggestions on how I could you know, do better with my color skin, let me know. And also to yeah, tell me if you guys have tried this, but I really like it. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I would love it if you guys were to subscribe to my little channel, my little family here on YouTube. You guys are having a great start of the year, and I hope you guys have a beautiful year starting today. Start meditating and, you know, manifesting a wonderful, beautiful year. And yeah, so we'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for stopping by.